What is going on, my fellow YouTube fam? So I just got the 6's. They were supposed to come in tomorrow, but they came in a little early. You know, hey, I'll take it. But your boy is not a sneakerhead by a long shot. I am not. But yeah, I just wanted to shut up. Just watch the video, all right? I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Huh. Oh whoa. But yeah, I've always wanted these since I was in high school, really, when they made the varsity reds. They were different. Those were in a pack. And then they came out with the 2014 ones, which I did not like at all. They were trash to me. They were like pink. I don't know. I wasn't feeling them. To be honest, I do not like this part though. The 3M thing, nah. Not feeling that, but hey, you know people go crazy for this Nike Air, and I'm one of them. I'm one of them. Not gonna lie. You can just smell it, bro. Smell it. Smells like manufactured. Look at that. Smell it. Just smells like 10 cents. These, you know, these kids in these factories making. Smells great. But yeah. I'm gonna unlace these bad boys. You know what I'm saying? Put them on my feet. Show them how they look. But yeah, as a bonus, you know, I was on eBay. Feeling myself a little bit. Probably should have calmed down, you know, because, you know, I'm a little broke right now. But yeah, got these for $190 on eBay. And I got these for a crazy steal, bro. Crazy steal. 65 bucks, yo. 65. Didn't come with a box or anything, but yo, probably worn maybe like twice. These are clean, bro. I won a bid. 65. It was like 45 with like 10 minutes left. I'm like, yo, nobody gonna snag this? Playoff 8s, bro. What's going on here? But yeah, let me get to it. Yo, these took forever to unlace. Like, they were so choked up, bro. I felt bad for the damn shoe. Alright. Here are these bad boys. This is how they would look. I guess with some, you know, some sweatpants if you want. These are Nike Techs that I have on. I feel like I could still unlace them a bit more. But, these are fresh, man. These are fresh. I'm liking them. These are definitely fresh. Infrared 6's, baby. So, here they are with some jeans. Some skinny jeans. You know, to each his own how you wear your jeans, whatever. If you want to cuff the what do you call this again? The freaking tongue if you want. But I don't know, man. These feel kind of big on me, bro. Like, not super big, but they feel like they make my feet look big. Like, they don't feel that, they don't fit that big, but yeah, man. Let me take a seat. Let me take a seat of my 6's that Jordan wore in the playoffs. So lit. So lit, bro. Let me put these Concords on real quick, because I feel like it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. These might be my favorite J's of all time. Of all time. Either these, the Cambry 7's, or Chambray, whatever you want to call it, or the Space Jams. Not sure. These are fresh though. Let me see these playoff. About to die. Let me see these playoff 8s though. What these playoff 8s talking about? Huh? What they looking like real quick, bruh? What they telling me? What they telling me? Nah, these are alright. These are cool. 6's are definitely better, but these are still pretty fresh, man. That's pretty much it, guys. I appreciate you watching. Check you later.